We are Nicki and Carlo, and our family live in Positano, Italy, nearly 500 steps from the road, but surrounded by fruit and olive trees and with a fabulous view. Our garden overlooks the sea and we grow our own food. We show you what life is really like on the Amalfi Coast. So please subscribe and welcome to the Positano Diaries. It is mid-November, and believe it or not, we still have quite a lot of tomatoes in the greenhouse. Trouble is, we have quite a lot of cobwebs too. So I'm picking some tomatoes because I want to make a picnic lunch. See, there's a whole bunch over there, but I can't get to them because there is this here. And I'm not going through that. And I've just washed my hair and I do not want cobwebs in my hair. Right, are there any cobwebs between here and there? I'm going to try. These Sicilian zucchinis are still hanging on. One of them came down in a storm the other night, but they're starting to dry out now, so they're actually getting lighter. There's the one that fell down. Today I'm making a simple cold pasta dish. Chop some mixed tomatoes, grate some Parmesan cheese. I'm also adding some locally caught tuna from Alfonso, Carlo's cousin. Cook the pasta for about 2 minutes less than the packet instructions, strain it and mix the vegetables in. I'm also adding a handful of arugula and some black olives. Mix it all together, add a dash of olive oil and pack it up for a picnic. So today is one of Carlo's last days of work. He's got a few more days left, but hardly any. And one of the things we always used to do was, when the weather was good, we would always have a picnic lunch somewhere. So we're just making the most of this beautiful, warm, mid-November weather and having the last couple of time-limited picnics that we'll ever have to have. Because after this, we can take as long as we want to have a picnic. We're not limited to an hour and a half. In fact, we've got even less than that today because it's already gone 12:30 and I'm still not with Carlo. It took me a while to get ready. Ideally, I would have walked up and got my scooter and driven down, but I definitely don't have time for that because that would take about 20-25 minutes. So I'm just going to walk down, meet him. We will use his scooter, which he keeps down in town. So I'm going to have to walk back up again afterwards, but that is absolutely fine because it can all go towards today's exercise walk. Hello. Andiamo a fare picnic.
Okay. Hello, Pucci. Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. Come to Daddy. Vieni qua. Vieni. Così bella.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you let? Lift me up higher, above the clouds, won't you learn? the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy.
Jack almost said, Nicki, come with me. I've got something amazing to show you. Little puppies. Little beautiful babies. Where are you going?
Allora, ci troviamo alla Fenice e guardate qua. Guardate che
Oh, they're all
cuccioli.
fluffy. Oh, little babies. Oh, you're all so
Come succedono le cose in questa Positano? Tu cammini per la strada, saluti qualcuno, dici vieni qua ti faccio vedere una cosa ed ecco qua 6 cuccioli di...
Colli, pastore scozzese.
Can I have one for Christmas?
Whenever you want, you come here, you take the one, you choose one. Ma molta gente li chiama Lessi.
Lassies.
Però Lessi è il nome del...
Ah, sono lessi!
Esatto.
Sì.
Oh, you're all so tiny.
Quando volete sono in regalo.
Holding them for the master.
E sta fuori, non ti preoccupare.
Belia?
Oh,
Belia? Vieni qua.
Che
Non viene
belli!
Perché vede il tuo cane.
you did. Oh, little babies.
Eccolo, Belia, vieni qua. Vieni, Belia, vieni.
Vieni, mamma.
Vieni, che non sei nemmeno oggi. Vieni qua. Belia, vieni qua. Vieni.
Ecco la mamma.
Vieni te, fai un po' la mamma, Fai la mamma. Tu non fare la gelosa.
Oh, questa che è la zia? Il
Questa
papà?
è la cugina.
La cugina.
Lei è Favola, è figlia di Alarico e un'altra mamma che è di Sant'Agata. Guarda come voglio venire di mammelle.
Oh, che bella!
Fai la brava Favola. Lei è molto wild.
Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud. Whisper away my outdated doubts. Somebody do me the courtesy, dress me down. I'm not that old yet I'm far too young to not stand my ground. But my ways are mine and I don't wanna change, not even for love. Now take back all them hard words. I'm a grown man.
Which one? It's not for you. It's not for you. This is for daddy and mommy.
Meet me in the middle. I'm a riddle. Figure me out. We'll tornadoes. We'll drink morning dew and we'll be lovers. Me, you. Full force tiger.
Cane italiano mangia la pasta, no?
Me out with them blue green eyes. You know I'm a fighter, the good kind, not running with lies. So when the night is high like you and I'll be soon, then we won't have nothing on us. No, we'll be
Dai,